Oh shoot. Look at this. We got the squad. Got the squad. We're gonna be making some lasagna. Lasagna. Is it cheating if the garlic is already, you know, I don't want to hear it, right? And yeah, this is about to make me cry. Cutting that up. I hate cutting onions. But a pound of this, a half a pound of that, some of this, some of that, 2 tablespoons of the paste. What is it, like 32? Go figure, they come in 24s, motherfucker. So I have to use 2, right? And then a bunch of that, and a bunch of this. And oh, I left the cheese out. Oh, you kidding me? You kidding me? Who does that? Who? This is like the most important player. We're using this whole motherfucking bag. The whole Bosa. Toda la Bosa. Hey, right? Anyway, and no, that's water. Don't get excited. I would add some vodka to it. Make some vodka lasagna, right? But anyway, let's see what happens. I'm crying inside. I'm fucking crying. My eyes are on fire. I fucking hate cutting onions. Anyway, but I love them when they cook. You know what I'm saying? Hey, so who knows the secret to figuring out how much of that is a pound? Because god damn it, I don't got a scale. Anyway, that looks like a pound, right? That looks like a pound, right? Guesstimating. And there's my half pound. Though I probably underdid it. How much is this? Yeah. Well, 16 ounces. Yeah, that's a okay. Half a pound and a pound. I'm probably completely wrong, but whatever. Should I throw the onions in now? I'm throwing the onions in now. Get in there. Get your asses in there. Son of a bitch. Yeah. See, and then we go like this. And we mash it, right? Oh, shoot. Mixing the onions and the sausage and the beef. Yeah. That'll be on there for like, as long as it takes. Let's see what it makes. All right, look. Some people be like, oh my God, that's cheating. I don't give a shit. It's not. It's garlic. If it's garlic, I think garlic powder would be cheating. Right. Just because I didn't peel the garlic. Get out of here. Oh, shoot. Look, we got the tablespoon. It's supposed to be a tablespoon, right? Yeah. Tablespoon of the Italian seasoning. 2 tablespoons of the paste. We got the whole shebang. Oh, shit. The whole shebang of the sauce. Yeah. I bought the sauce. Okay. I would have got the socceroonie, but I was on a budget, right? One of these, and then they only want like 32. So, but of course I'm not, measuring here. So we're just going to do a little bit more. Let's pretend that's 32, right? That'll work. Don't judge me. I cleaned the stove before. We do a lot of cooking around here. Huh, Bob? Yeah, oh, you couldn't see him. He's invisible today. Slow simmer. They said to drain it, but in my opinion, there wasn't enough oil worth draining. Grease, I should say. There wasn't enough grease worth draining. But if I notice an overflow, I'll probably drink it, Don't get excited. Oh, shoot. Look at it. Beautiful. So what do? We come in here, it's Mando. Oh, my God. Look at this, huh? This is how we used to do it back in the home country, huh? Little bit of something from home. Yeah, you wish you could do it like this. Hey, look how we do it, huh? Check this one out, huh? The Sicilians ain't got nothing on me. It's that Cali Thai specialty, huh? What happened? How the guy say, how you doing? And you right. I added a half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, right? Beautiful, beautiful. Mix it in. You know, feel free to sneak another taste because, you know, that's Mando. And watch the dog salivate. Huh, Bob? Huh, Bob? I'm going to watch you salivate. He'll get some. Don't feel bad for him. He probably eats better than most of you. This thing, you know, put it on power boil. Get ready to throw in the barilla. No, this ain't barilla. This is the barilla. Barilla? How do the Italians say that? I forgot. I don't speak Italian, right? But you know. And then add some salt. Now we're gonna make we're gonna make that shit now, right? You watch what happens. See. Now they say to add parsley. I don't have any parsley. I sparsely have parsley, right? So what are we gonna do? Fuck it. We don't need no stinking parsley. And you know, bada bing, bada ba ba. So the Parmesan, we got a fourth a cup of Parmesan, a fourth a cup of ricotta, a half a quarter teaspoon of salt, the egg, 1.5 cups of the cheese. I'm supposed to be multitasking. Here I am over here yakety yakking, right? And you mix it all up. You put the lime in the coconut. You shake it all about, right? And, you know, watch. I'm going to drop my phone in this while I'm mixing it up. So, see? Rook. We got the ricotta mixture with the cheese and the salt and the ricotta and the eggs and the Parmesan. Yeah. I was cheap about it. But, you know, whatever, right? Whatever's clever. And then what do we do? Over here waiting on the noodles. Goddamn water taking forever. The fuck, huh? Jesus. But, oh. See how I do? See what it be? Finally, oh my fucking God. Been waiting all day. All right? So now what do they say? 12 noodles, 8 minutes. I forgot to add the oil because I'm a fucking idiot. So here we go. Whoop, get that in there real quick. Let's see. Hopefully that makes them not stick. I'm sure I'm missing everything I need. I'm sure. Right? You know, you're supposed to be gentle. Be gentle with the noodle. Right? All right, ladies? Though, you know, sometimes you gotta be rough. But hey. Let's see what happens. Oh, hit the timer. Son of a bitch. See what I did? Oh my gosh. How much longer is this? 4 more minutes. Stirring occasionally. I sprayed this with a light spray. What did they say? They said a light spray on the sheet pan, whatever. So I put it on this thing, right? I'm probably doing something wrong, but hey, whatever. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Happy motherfucking New Year! Been waiting all goddamn me. CCC, and I was using these ones, but then I had to go get Long Tong Silver because these motherfuckers is hot. And you come in here, and you're supposed to be super gentle. They say that drain the water, except I got plastic pipes, and so you know I'm not trying to melt my sink, but you know, lightly greased. They said just put it on the pan, you know, but I got this little fancy screen because, you know, I'm fancy like that. And so this is the next part. Look what I did. Not only did I run out of room, so I had to use this thing. And then I took my sweet time holding it in the tongs and I ripped it. I ripped the noodle. So ladies, be careful. You don't want to rip the noodle. But oh, shit. All right, now look. We're at at the part. We're at the part. We're at that part. So they said 1 cup on the bottom. So what do? We go, there we go. Uno. Right? And then put the lid back on. Then we spread it around. Just like when you're at the strip club, spread it around. Because otherwise, you end up getting like one dance from the same broad. And she's already, but don't get me wrong. Sometimes that broad is the one worth getting a dance from. But hey, spread it around. Spread the wealth. Hey, don't act like I was, a big strip club guy. I just worked the door for a couple of nights, Nothing special. All right, so there's one. I feel like it's not enough. I feel like we need just a little bit more. Fill in them gaps. Spread it around. You hear me, fellas? Fill in the gaps. Get it? All right. So here we go. Still not enough, motherfucker. And I spilled spaghetti sauce all over the fucking buttons. Oh well, I gotta clean the stove again. Anyway, so there we go. Uno. Right? And then, I'm pretty sure it says noodles next. So next thing you know, we hit it with the noodles next. Yeah. Then top it with 3 noodles. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these noodles right here. Uno. Oh shit. Anybody ever play that game, Uno? Dos. I didn't learn no Spanish. Look at that. Put the ugly noodles on the bottom. That's how they do, right? Then what does it say? Then it says to come in here with 1/3 of the ricotta sauce stuffed cheese. What? So 1 cup of meat sauce, repeat twice more. Okay. Layer with 1/3 of the ricotta cheese mixture. Why do I feel like this is going to be difficult? Because my ricotta cheese mixture is thick as fuck. This is going to be difficult. I feel like I didn't even make enough. Son of a bitch. I'm pissed already. This don't make any sense. Thin layers. See, that's too thin. I like a lot of ricotta. Just like my women. I like a woman with a lot of ricotta. You know what I'm saying? Anyway. So we're going to spread this around. I feel like they got robbed here. Like I should have made double the ricotta they told me to. You know why? Because that recipe, that's probably made by some white lady who's like on a gluten. She got a gluten allergy and she's lactose intolerant. I mean, at least we're using real ingredients here, but there's no way that this is gonna spread for 3 fucking layers. It ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna have to make more. Anyway, I'm done bitching. I'm probably not done bitching, but we're gonna leave it at that, right? So then we go like this. This might end up just being 2-layer lasagna. Okay, so look. I'm not gonna lie. I'm missing something because I got 3 noodles left. Well, now that I'm eating one, it's more like 2 noodles left, right? Whatever. So then it says to come in, cover it with foil. Okay. I should have preheated my oven like 10 minutes ago. Whatever. Technically, you could refrigerate this for like 2 days if you want. It's up to you, right? But whatever you do, just know, doo-doo, this ain't over yet. You gotta cook it for like 45 minutes, then you come in and you hit it with some more cheese. Like 2.5 cups more cheese. So, you know, don't get excited. It ain't over yet. And then 45 minutes covered with foil on 350. Then you take it out. You take the foil off. 2.5 cups of cheese. 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Turn the light off. Don't waste electricity. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what we do. But how about that? Then we come over here. We get the cheese. We get the cheese, right? We get the measuring spoon. We get the, I forgot how much this is, the 1/4 cup measuring spoon. What? Oh, of course I left the big one in the water. Motherfucker. Right? What are we going to do? That's what we're going to do. We're just going to use this one. So this is 1/4 cup of cheese. Yes. This makes this a 1/2 cup of cheese. Yes. This is supposed to be the last of the Mohicans, the last cup of cheese. But, you know, knowing me, I might sprinkle on a little bit more. I remember the first time I had a job at Pizza Hut. I made my own pizza, which you're apparently not supposed to do. And then I put, like, extra cheese. Oh, my God. That cheese came right out. ASAP. So, you know, if you ever want to give yourself diarrhea, go add too much cheese to your pizza. I'm just saying. Too much cheese is never a bad thing. But the after effects can definitely be something else. So, you know, we went closer to 3 cups of cheese, right? And then we go like that. And then I'm probably going to eat one of those whole things when nobody's looking. And we come back here, and then we go back to the oven. For 15 more minutes, huh? Get out of here. You ain't getting nothing, Bob. Nothing. No, that's not just on the table. I have a baking pan there. Oosh. And we go like that. Oh! Turn the light off. Turn it. Right? Look at that. Set the timer. 15 more minutes. And then, you know, there we go. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That last 15 minutes and 3 cups of cheese. Oh, shoot, look at it boiling. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I'm tempted to dive into it, but I think I'll hold off on burning my mouth.